So what's going on with the Jura ENA 4 coffee machine bundle? Here are 3 things you need to know about this coffee delight. First is its elegant elixir. This machine isn't just for coffee, it's a mood elevator. With its chic design inspired by premium crystal carafes, it's like having a diamond in your kitchen. Second is that its simplicity in a cup. Brewing your favorite specialty coffees is a breeze with its intuitive one-touch functions. No more complicated rituals, just pure coffee joy. Third is that it's a reliable companion. Jura's reputation for quality shines through. Even if you encounter a hiccup, their customer service is on point, turning coffee lovers into raving fans. Say goodbye to coffee woos and hello to the perfect cup every day with the Jura ENA 4.